Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. We have another AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of complex polynomial functions and complex zeros. Let's solve this one together. The polynomial function p of x equals x plus 6 times x squared minus 7x plus 12. Which of the following describes the zeros of p? A, p has exactly 2 distinct real zeros. B, p has exactly 3 distinct real zeros. C, p has exactly 1 distinct real zero and no non-real zeros. D says p has exactly 1 distinct real zero and 2 non-real zeros. To solve this type of questions, we will need to find the roots of the polynomial. And to find the roots, which are the zeros actually, so we're going to use it there, the given factors. There are 2 factors given for this polynomial function. We're going to make them equal to 0 and we're going to solve for x. So this is x plus 6 equals 0. The second one is x squared minus 7x plus 12 equals 0. If we will take away 6 from both sides, the first one becomes x equals negative 6. This is our first 0, which is the root. X and x, and when you multiply 4 by 3, you get 12. But when you add them, you're supposed to get negative 7. That's why 4 and 3 both will be negative. So we can rewrite this as x minus 4 times x minus 3 equals 0. And solve each of them separately. And when you add 4 here, you got 4. And add 3 to both sides. To isolate the x, we got 3. So 3, negative 6, 3, and 4 are the real zeros of the polynomial function, which means we have 3 distinct real zeros. The choice B will be the correct answer for this question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.